I'm so excited about this TeenTech Festival. I'm back on the streets of my home city, Leicester. My old school, one of the schools who are inside there. We've got fantastic companies, as always, and the event is being hosted by one of the UK's leading universities. Welcome to TeenTech DMU.
Thank you for coming here today, and welcome to Montfort University, to TeenTech for putting on this brilliant event today, and to all of you, the future generation who will shape the way we live. Really, really important, because you are our future.
Amazing. A massive round of applause, please. We're so grateful to the DMU and everything you're doing.
We're here because our students took up a wonderful opportunity to take part in City of Tomorrow. They've been making models to see who can inspire people with their ideas of sustainability and safety, and they've really enjoyed learning about the science behind it all.
These are to do with wind energy. If like earthquakes come, they protect the building, so there's no harm.
And also taking part in the festival, which means they've had fantastic opportunities to discover technology of the future from the various stands that we've visited. They're inspired by it. It is totally inspirational the whole day. We love it. We think these opportunities just give so much to our students.
We are the TeenTech News Podcasters, reporting from DMU.
We've basically got them a huge map of the centre of Leicester, city centre, and then we've 3D printed different Leicester landmarks, and we get them to basically identify or find their way around the city and place those landmarks where they think they might be, based on their shapes or based on how often they go to certain places, see if they can figure out certain streets and stuff.
I think we've opened their eyes up to the kind of things that we do day to day, and a vocation basically that they can get into.
TeenTech is amazing because you get a chance to see students from a young age all the way up to slightly older, and the questions are fantastic. They are so engaged in joy just being here.
This is future-proofing the skills that they will acquire as they go on to do their careers.
As some of you will know, I am a Leicester girl. It was fabulous, and I think it was in 2013 that DMU gave me an honorary degree, and when I stood on the stage over at the curb, I honestly, looking into the audience, and my dad was there, it was one of the proudest moments of my life. So I'm very proud to declare the hub well and truly.
I'm going to cut it.
So I think today's been a fantastic day. I was particularly encouraged by some of the students who this kind of area of careers and study was relatively new to them, but to see them get stuck in, get involved, ask some good questions has been a great encouragement.
Some of these students, when I first met them, it seemed that they were not interested in science and interested in what was happening. But once you give them an activity and once you put them in a place where they needed to speak, and it really was amazing the way they presented themselves and the way they showed interest. So I think, you know, having them at the right place with the right activity could spark their interest in science and being the innovators of tomorrow. So I think that was really important.
I think it was very fun. I really liked it. There was a lot of things to do, and genuinely, it was just a lot for me to experience, and made me very happy.
To be honest, I expected it to be really bad, but I really enjoyed myself. It's been really good.
Yeah, I've had a great time, and I thought it was going to be really boring, but it wasn't.
is because we absolutely believe that you are the much needed innovators of tomorrow. So let's hear it for the innovators of tomorrow.